All right, about to check out a blaster here of 2012 Topps Series 2. Hoping for some of that Bryce Harper stuff coming out of here. All right. All right. And there's our packs. And here's our here's our patch insert. There we go. Rickey Henderson number. Retired number patch. We'll almost assuredly send that one out to my Check Out My Cards account. All right, let's see what's in here. So if you're interested, check me out, DLab85. I'm sure you can find it. It'll be up there in about a month. David Carpenter, Chris Carpenter. Cards are all over the place. Delgado, Morales, Alex Gordon, Richard, Golden Moments insert, Dave Winfield, and a Gerardo Parra. Colementor, Davis, Dickerson, Houston Street, Matt Harrison. We got a Josh Hamilton, career day. And I think that's been topped. I think they got topped last month. 4 home runs, but yeah, May 16th, 2008. Cool. A Mickey Mantle mini. So the minis are back, the 87 minis. Okay. Not bad. And the last card was Robert Andino. Next pack. Garrett Jones, Reed Brignac, Inge, Kadire, Jeter, a Johan Santana Gold Rush card, and a Golden Giveaway. Golden Giveaway code, Johnny Bench, and then Zach Cozart. Strasburg. And there's one of these a cut above die cuts. Jackie Robinson. Pretty nice. And then a Dominance, Mound Dominance, Jim Dandy, Jim Palmer. And Chris Johnson. Tony Campana. Another Chris Dickerson. Adam Jones, Golden Moments. Gold Futures, Buster Posey. And Alex Gonzalez. Josh Satin. Gold Standard, Nolan Ryan. Roberto Clemente, 87 mini. Topps advertisement. And Travis Hafner. And Corey Hart, Gold Rush. Chen-Ming Wang. Albert Pujols. Career day. And Craig Gentry. So no Harper, no autos or relics, but and here's the Target exclusive pack. Miguel Cabrera, cut above. Mike Napoli, Brian LaHare. Ramon Hernandez, Montero Gold Futures. And that's about it. Alright, well that's a Topps Series 2 blaster. Nothing really that amazing, but you know, some cool stuff. It's Topps base, what do you expect? Alright, thanks a lot for checking that out, guys. See you real soon.